Today we're at the St. Regis, Cairo. After entering through the doors, we had to go through security, put our luggage through a scanner, and go up these elevators to complete check-in. We found out we were upgraded to an Astor Room. Upon entering our room, there were these beautiful closets lining the entryway. One of them had the safe and some laundry bags. The other one had the ironing board and iron. To the left, we had a huge, spacious bathroom with his and her sinks. There was a very spacious shower with a rainfall waterhead. A separate toilet room, complete with a bidet. And this large soaker tub with a beautiful mural and a small TV at the foot of it. The large St. Regis king bed was super comfortable, and they had decorated it with flower petals. This was a highlight for me, the lighted mirror. It was perfect for getting ready in the morning. They gave us these really delicious pastries and local treats and a big plate of fruit. Also this nice fresh flower arrangement. There was a comfy little love seat here. And then there is a nice view over the Nile. It was just a small balcony, but it was nice to sit out here with coffee and take in the sunset. There's this nice desk area complete with stationery, like a stapler, highlighter, and everything you would need. And here's the coffee station. There was both the pods and instant coffee. Inside the mini bar, there were some chocolates, beer, juice, soda, and the prices were quite reasonable. As you may know, the St. Regis offers butler service, so our butler made a pot of coffee and we enjoyed it with the treats. The hotel also provides turn-down service, so we came back after dinner to our room turned down. In the morning, we went to Laziza for the breakfast buffet, which was one of the best breakfast buffets we've ever had. There was so much selection. They even had gluten-free bread, sausages, rice, more bread, all kinds of yogurt parfaits, which were really delicious, bowls of fresh fruit. Again, some more bread and some eggs, potatoes, beef bacon, fresh fruits, and fresh squeezed juices, which were also very yummy. I love this fool station that came with all different types of toppings, but this was the highlight for me, the bakery station. There were so many pastries and they were all really fresh and delicious. They weren't stale like we've encountered at other buffets. Everything was beautifully presented. And they even had warm, gooey cinnamon buns, which were so good. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And while you're at it, check out our Instagram at Soulmate Adventures. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.